Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Wednesday, May 6th, and I'm here for your rundown in science. We're continuing with structures and functions, which, as you remember, is a fancy way of saying adaptations. So the first thing that you're going to do right here is complete this, or watch this YouTube video, Crash Course Kids. So we watched her before, so we like her, so this is a good video to watch, or we know that this is a good video to watch. And then after you do that, you're going to answer this question. You're going to answer your discussion question, okay? But that's Tuesdays, but you know what I mean. You're going to answer the discussion post. And then if you'd like, you can do this art project. Okay, and so this is creating an habitat diorama for an animal. So it's pretty cool, and the good thing is that even if you don't have some of this stuff, you can substitute for whatever you have in the house. But you're gonna make your animal, and then of course make your diorama for your animal. I think would be pretty cool. But that's if you have some extra time on your hands. But here, make sure you follow everything that is listed on here today. So if you see a STEM Scopes link, then do STEM Scopes. If you see a quizzes link, then do quizzes. If you see a Kahoot, then do Kahoot. Whatever is listed here, that's what you're going with. Okay, guys? I would not worry too much about this because this is, we're not doing a whole book on this today, so that's not necessary. I just want you to read the video, answer the discussion post, and then click on whatever link is listed here. If you have any questions, guys, please let us know. Please utilize Teams or Microsoft Teams, or you can chat with us. You can video with us. If you have questions, you can put an envelope here. But we are here for you, whatever you need. All right, guys, y'all take care. Have a good one.